How to see your sent follow request on Instagram. Let's begin with the video. Initially launch the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you are logged in. Now tap on your profile icon at the bottom right to go to your profile page. Here look for the 3 lines menu and click on it. Next select Account Center at the top. Then look and tap on your information and permission. Select download your information to access your data. Likewise, click on download or transfer information. Furthermore, select some of your information. Under some of your information, scroll down to find connection. And select both of the option. Then hit next. Here select download to device. Now choose the date range and hit save. Choose your preferred email for notification. Then choose the file format and select the media quality. Here click on create file and wait for Instagram to generate the file. Lastly, wait few minutes for the file to be created. Once the download is complete, you will be able to see your sent follow request. That's all. Now you know how to see your sent follow request on Instagram.